So Nathan and I saw this video of where somebody took boiling water and they dumped it out outside, and before it even reached the ground, it all evaporated and froze. And so I want to try it. And so I volunteered Nathan to do it. And I'm going to videotape him. So, our water is boiling. And here we go. I don't think I can turn it back around. Here we go. Let me open the door for you. It's really cold outside. See all that boiling water? Okay, hang on until I can see it. Okay. Whoa, that is so cool! It worked! That was awesome. It did not touch the ground. Like, see the ground totally, almost totally untouched. It all turned to like ice and snow. Wow, that's cool!